So today we're talking about the PuriBreeze Produce Cleaner, a small kitchen gadget that claims to clean your fruits and vegetables using something called OH-ion electrolysis. According to the product page, it can remove pesticides, bacteria, wax, dirt, and even insects in just 5 minutes. It also says it's completely chemical-free and can improve taste while extending freshness up to 5 times longer. On the surface, that sounds really appealing, especially if you're concerned about food safety. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. But when you start looking deeper, there are some concerns that are hard to ignore. The product says it uses electrolysis, but there's no clear explanation of what is actually happening during this process. Electrolysis can produce different chemical reactions depending on the setup, and without proper details, it's unclear what is being generated and how it interacts with your food. There's also no detailed safety information explaining how this process affects fruits and vegetables. If a device is altering the surface of food, people should know exactly how safe it is, especially with repeated use. Another big claim is that it removes up to 99% of pesticides and bacteria. That sounds impressive, but there are no independent lab reports or verified test results shown to support this 99%. Without third-party testing, it's difficult to fully trust such precise numbers. From a scientific point of view, different pesticides behave differently. Some are water-soluble, while others are not, so claiming near-total removal for all types using one method raises questions about how accurate that claim really is. It's also worth noting that similar fruit and vegetable cleaning devices already exist. This means the product isn't offering something completely new, even though the marketing might suggest otherwise. Looking at the website itself, it appears to be recently created, around April 7, 2026. A new website isn't automatically a bad sign, but when combined with bold claims and limited information, it does raise some caution. Health organizations generally recommend washing produce with plain water as an effective way to reduce dirt and some residues. That makes the extra benefits of this device less certain, especially without strong scientific proof. The product also seems to rely heavily on strong marketing claims rather than clear evidence. That kind of approach can sometimes be a red flag, especially when important details are missing. On top of that, you can find very similar devices online for much lower prices, which suggests this could be overpriced or possibly part of a drop-shipping model. Finally, there's very little transparency about the brand itself. There's no clear information about manufacturing, research, or who is behind the product, which makes it harder to fully trust. So overall, while the idea sounds useful, there are enough unanswered questions here that you should be careful. Do your own research and not rely only on the claims before making a decision.